So I've got another little pinto here for a mate of mine. I'm just going to build the bottom end for him. It's not too bad. It's pretty grubby, but all in all, I think it's just been sitting for a while. It has had some work done to it, I believe. It's pretty good. Just a bit dirty, but it should come up all right. He's having a bit of head work done to it. There's a crank, all the caps. The pistons were covered in shit on top of them, but I managed to clean them up quite well. They came up like new. They're all 0.75 over, so it has had some work done. All the bearings are 0.25 over, so just needs a good clean up, put together, new oil pump, gaskets and everything, and then he can have a head done. The oil pump's been modified to fit a escort, but they've done it in such a way that that's all the capacity that was left. I'm pretty sure when he used to cut these down back in the day, man, he cut them down to about there somewhere to clear the escort sump, but I'll have a go at making another one, I think. You can see these little gouges. You can feel them when you those ones aren't too bad, but definitely the mains have little gouges you can feel in them. Like that one's quite bad, and so is that one. That one's actually really bad, but you can definitely feel them with your nails, and I don't have much nails, but I can feel that. See the difference in those two there? That's just with a minute of 400 grit. Right, and if you're wondering how I do this, wet and dry, WD-40. Wrap that around. The old shoestring around it, and then just back and forth. That's all I've done. It's all I've ever done, and it works quite well. I use 400, 800, 2000, and then I polish. But that's it. All I do. Wet and dry, WD-40, shoestring. And it gets rid of 90% of your scratches. Maybe not the deep ones, but good enough to be able to do it at home. And that's with 800 so far.